Love me, feel so numb. Ride me, ride me, ride me, ride me, ride, 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 ride me.
What's up, beauties? It's Lynsey. Welcome back to my channel, and this is day 2 of Hair Week. I am so excited. I feel like a showgirl right now. Like, look at this bob. Should we do bobs? Like, is that my thing? Because I'm kind of into this. All right, so as you guys know, if you watched yesterday's video, I'm so excited, can't even talk. Watched yesterday's video, I am bringing back Hair Week. This is the spring edition, so I'm showing you guys units and hairstyles that I think are perfect for the springtime. So today we are doing a bob. Hello. So today's unit is from Supernova. We've got a 14-inch bob. I had actually never heard of the brand prior to receiving the unit. So I was super excited about this. Like, oh, bobs. Bobs are the hairstyle that I totally forget about and I totally think I can't rock until I put it on. And then I'm like, yes. It's like soccer mom vibes, but like cute mom. Like, I'm a mom, but I'm a cool soccer mom. I've got the Capri Suns and the Chewy bars in the trunk, like a Lily Pulitzer mom, like soccer mom, but also I go to all the PTA meetings. Like, that's the look that I'm going for today. I like this. Oh, I guess I don't really have to explain why bobs are so good for the springtime, because they're short. Obviously, they're just brushing your shoulders. This hair is not heavy at all. And I just think short hairstyles, spring, it just goes. Like, that's what you do. It's just one of those things when people are like, they get their hair lightened, they go blonde for the summertime, and then they go dark winter, fall time. It's kind of like that. There's something really grown about short hair, a bob in particular. It's like really sexy, but at the same time, it's very professional, and do not try me at the parent-teacher conferences, you know? A look. I really did not do much to this wig because, as you guys know, it's all about putting on the wig and going. That's all we're doing. Putting it on and then we leave the house. I did run through it with my straightener a couple times just because it was a little bent in the box. But literally, I think I passed through the hair like 7 times total just to get the hair to look like this. I added a little bit of concealer on the part. I think I might go back and pluck the part a little bit just to make it a little thicker. But other than that, that's all we did. No bobby pins, no glue, no nothing. This is a human hair wig, so you can dye it, you can bleach it, you can cut it. Well, you can do that to synthetic too. You can do anything you do to your natural hair to this wig. But I think I'm gonna leave it like this. This might be one of the first wigs that I don't touch with my scissors. I don't touch with like lightening it, because they do still have that one that has like the ombre in it, which I like. But this one, girl, I'm telling y'all, I'm going to the Teen Choice Awards this year. I'm putting that into the universe. I'm going and I'm wearing this. Now, I did get the average cap size for this unit, and it is a little bit big. I have a teeny tiny head. Like, my head is so small compared to my body, I think. I don't know, am I proportional? Wig cap's not fitting correctly. Should've got like petite. I don't even know if they had petite, but I ordered average. Why did I do that? I was probably in a rush. But yeah, I need a smaller cap size, but you can't really tell. It's just a little uncomfortable back here because it's just like, I just feel a lot of space back here. So that would probably be my only complaint. If you want to order this hair, it does vary in lengths and textures. You can get 8 inches, 10 inches, 8, 10, 12, 14, or 16 inches. I have 14, and then you can get Brazilian, Peruvian, Indian. Oh, what's that last one? Malaysian. But I'm wearing the Peruvian, and this is 14 inches, and I love this. Another thing I noticed that I really love about this hair is how flat it lays. I do have a little bun in the back. My natural hair is in a little bun. I don't have a wig cap on. I just plop this on top and put the comb, like comb the combs back. But yeah, it lays really flat. So I like that because they took the time to make it less dense up top, which I like. There's not as much hair on the top. So it lays flatter because it's a little bit thinner. I like that. I appreciate you guys. Thank you, Supernova. So that wraps up day 2 of Hair Week. I hope you guys enjoyed this unit. I think this is my favorite hair ever now. Like, we're wearing this. I'm gonna be a mom forever. I love this. I will have all the links in the description box below, but let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, y'all.